Alright guys, James here. Welcome back to my stream. Today we are trading a clean combo, EMA, key levels and RSI. A really nice combination, and you will see today from our practical part. So first thing that I want to mention now, it's trend direction. I'm using EMA 50 and EMA 200. If price is above both EMAs and EMA 50 is above EMA 200, that's a bullish trend. Remember, it's a bullish trend. If price is below both EMAs and EMA 50 is under EMA 200, that's bearish trend. No trend, we don't force trades at all. Simple. Now let's talk about levels a bit before we start. I'm marking strong support and resistance, previous highs, lows, and zones where price reacted multiple times. These levels are where money is made. You should remember this. Next comes RSI. RSI is not for guessing tops and bottoms here. It's only confirmation. Okay? It's only confirmation. RSI above 50. It's going to be a bullish momentum, and RSI below 50, it is a bearish momentum. So once again, RSI above 50, it's a bullish momentum, and RSI below 50, it's bearish momentum. RSI near 30 or 70 is a potential reaction zone, not instant entry. All right? Okay. So we start. We're going to take currency of Australian dollar or New Zealand dollar. Time frame, we start with 1 minute. And the trade amount is going to be 100 for a start, with a potential payout of 192 US dollars. We'll push it up. The market is reacting really well. You see that? Green candles growing. But it's you can see it's kind of a battle here, but that's fine. Between buying and selling. All right. Today I'm fully determined to make really good trades. All right. It's fine. It's a good start. It's normal. So no worries about that. So we keep 1 minute and make 200 and see the best entry point. Those who just entered my stream, let me remind you, today we are trading a clean and simple strategy using EMA trend direction, key support, and resistance levels. And of course, RSI momentum. No overcomplicated indicators, only price, structure, and confirmation. Perfect for scalping and intraday trading. All right? All right, so Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar as a currency, 1 minute time frame, and trade amount of 200. And we are waiting for a good entry point. Not a favorable situation on the market at the moment, but we still wait. Remember, we still wait. Okay. Here we go. You see the market is not steady today. It's going to be kind of difficult, but we're going to do it, what we planned already. Okay. Let's wait until the end of the trade, then I'm going to tell you the sell setup for you to understand. As a result, we are having this because the market is not steady. All right? But it's fine. It's still absolutely fine. We're going to take now 2 minutes of time frame, 2 minutes. We keep $200 as a trade amount and we push it all up. Here we go. So, what sell setup I use here? Price is below EMA 50 and EMA 200. Price pulls back to resistance or EMA 50. RSI stays below 50. RSI stays below 50. Bearish rejection candle appears. So, what 3 main points here I would love to mention? Entry on confirmation, stop loss above resistance, and take profit at next support. All right? Okay. So get back to our histogram. Fast growing. Okay. You see this kind of a battle. Yeah, I like it because finally we can get a good result, really indeed. Okay. No worries. We keep it under control and following our inner plan. You can see the struggle. If the situation in the market didn't change, it's still like, so to say, windy. Yeah. Let's wait until the end of the trade. Yes, gotcha. Good. $384 as a potential payout worked out this time because we never rushed. We're just waiting for the best moment to entry, and it happened. Okay, so we keep on. All right, so we keep 1 minute this time, 1 minute, the time frame. The trend amount is going to be the same, $200. And now we wait for the entry point, for the best moment. Okay. The market is kind of chaotic, you see that? Push it up. Let's go. Nothing extraordinary is happening. Everything is under control. The fluctuation of the price is steady. No dramatic changes, as you can see. And we are waiting for a good result. You can see the struggle between buyers and sellers at the moment. It's fine. It's still okay. It's still okay. Guys, is anyone in for classical music? Tell me. I'm a huge fan of opera and classical music. You know, I've been to many theaters worldwide, like Metropolitan Opera, like Glyndebourne Opera, like, Wiener Staatsoper. I love it the most. Wiener Staatsoper in Vienna in Austria, inaugurated in 1869 as a court opera house, originally known as Wiener Hauptoper. The building has, has an association with glitz and glamour, really beautiful one. And now it rolls out a vast repertoire with almost 300 performances a year. Fantastic. And great singers in the cast. Great singers. All right, so get back to our business. So, those who just entered my... hold on a second. We see the situation on the histogram. It's... Good. So it's 1 minute as a time frame, trade amount 200, the currency Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar, and the predicted potential payout of $384. Let's see. The market is kind of stormy today. You see that? Not the best moment. We wait. It's all right. It's okay. Nothing extraordinary is happening at the moment. So now, I'm going to switch to 2 minutes time frame and make $100 as a trade amount. And waiting for the best entry point. Here we go. Push it up. You see this kind of integration happening on histogram. But we're going to win anyway. Let's go, come on. Yeah, we are gaining momentum at the moment. Come on, let's go. It's a very good situation, favorable for us. Let's go. Yeah, as I told you, we are winners. So our potential payout of $192 worked out. Great, fantastic. And guys, back to my hobby horse. Olympics, Olympic Games officially begin on Friday with the opening ceremony, though several competitions will already be underway before then, including curling, ice hockey, ski jumping, snowboarding, and figure skating. As the Winter Olympics has grown with longer schedules, more athletes, and heavier broadcast demands, starting certain events early has become the only way to fit everything into the official Games window. And you know who is hosting Olympic Games, right? Italy. Italy is hosting the 2026 Winter Olympic Games. The Games are officially branded Milano Cortina 2026 and are spread across the northern Italy, with Milan serving as the primary city host, and Cortina is like anchoring the mountain events. So it's going to be a huge event, fantastic event. Let's watch the competition. Okay, back to business. All right, then, so we use, as a reminder, Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar. Those were just switched on. The time frame of 2 minutes, and I double the trade amount this time because I feel like we can do it. Okay. And push it up. Good moment. Let's see. You see the struggle again. But no worries. We have enough time and the position is fine. We are almost there, but we have to wait a bit more and to see the overall picture. No rush at all. Absolutely no rush. A bit slobbish at the moment. I predicted that. It's still inside of our strategy, so it's fine. And those who just entered the live stream, today we are trading a clean and simple strategy using EMA trend direction, key support, and resistance levels, and RSI momentum, of course. No overcomplicated indicators, only price first, structure second, and third, confirmation. Perfect for scalping and intraday trading. Okay, so we keep on working. All right, so now I change the time frame for 1 minute. And still keep the amount of $200. Push it down, okay. All right. Never wait for quick results and quick victories. It could give you an illusion that you are a warrior and you can do everything, but it's kind of deceptive. I repeat it every time we do this. The main thing is not to, react too openly or hotly. You need to think about all your actions without rush, keeping just, cool mind. That's important. Here we go. We got it because we were waiting for the best moment to enter. 384 US dollars at the potential payout. It worked. Our strategy was absolutely fine this time, and it really worked out. Good, great. So we keep on. It's a favorable moment for us. 1 minute as a time frame, $200 a trade amount, and we push it all up. Come on, let's go. And another thing that's very important, you have to just leave all your emotions behind. The market doesn't care whether you're motivated or in a good mood or not. It won't wait for you. If you're here, you're ready to do that. If not, step away. In this matter, everything depends on you, nobody else. You are your own motivator and champion of your soul, Everything is in your hands. All right. I always keep my eyes on histogram, not to lose control. Because I always have a plan, whatever happens. Okay. I predicted that. That's fine. That's absolutely fine. So we change a bit the situation. I'll do like, $100 this time. A time frame of 2 minutes. And I push it down this time. Let's go, come on. Never rush, think twice, and then react. Mm-hmm. Good. All right, everything is under control, yeah. Don't wait for big profits at the very start, Initially, trading. What is trading? Trading is a buying and selling of financial instruments in order to make a profit, right? Okay. These instruments range from a variety of assets that are assigned a financial value that can go up or go down, and you can trade on the direction they'll take. So, everything in its time. No rush, absolutely. And you see, our strategy worked out again. A predicted payout of $192. Gorgeous, great. We keep on. We're on a good wave now. I doubled the amount this time. And push it all the way up. And remember, when there are more buyers than sellers in the market, demand is greater, right? But it's logical. And the price goes up. If there are more sellers than buyers in the market, demand is reduced and the price goes down. It's literally understandable. Nothing extraordinary, right? But it's the basics of trading work. Okay. You can see the struggle again. And if you're, for example, not mentally ready for trading today, if you're not relaxed, too nervous, something is going out of your control, you better not trade today. Just step away, wait for one more day to recover, and then come fully ready. That's really important. When you're motivated, when you're all ready, the results will come. That's for sure. When I feel like I don't do anything like I can do in a perfect way, like always, I better have one extra day off and wait for the better one, you know? Here we go. Again, our strategy worked out. So the predicted potential payout of $384, it worked out again. You can see 3 trades in a row were successful. That's a good result already today. But we go on because I feel like we're in a good position at the moment. So we keep 2 minutes time frame. Trade amount $200. And we push up. Come on, let's go. 3 consecutive trades were successful for us. It's absolutely good result. We could already step away because we already did what we planned to do, but we go on to see. But don't be emotional, keep it calm, and be ready for anything that can happen in the histogram and the market. Good. You can see the struggle again. You know, overall, today's market is not steady. It's not steady. But we're trying to find a way to be successful and to get profit, of course. You see the, you know, this struggle between red candles and green ones. One moment reds are prevailing, another moment greens are prevailing. It's kind of a battle, but that's interesting. That really captures the eye. It's fine, it's fine, it's okay, it's all right. We cannot be successful 100% every trade, you know. That's absolutely abnormal. But we have to think over what we did right or wrong, just understand what to do next time to be more successful. So now, what we do, we keep 2 minutes as a time frame, $200 a trade amount, and we push it down. Let's see. every time I'm planning my trading session, the day before that, I say to myself and make notes what I'm supposed to do step by step. Nothing emotional, no chaotic moves or steps. Everything should be valued and everything should be done according to my personal plan. That's important. Mm-hmm. And if you're just a beginner, never use too many indicators. It won't help you at all. Use one or two. Maybe it's better to use one indicator and then see how it evaluates, how it grows, what steps to do, how just to make it more profitable for you. Never rush. Start it simply, you know. Got it. Got it. You see, our strategy worked out again. $384 as a potential payout. It worked out because we were waiting for the best moment to entry and we were controlling step by step what was happening on a histogram. That's good. And the result has come, you know, finally. Okay. All right. I'm not changing anything. I keep the structure like this. Time 2 minutes. Trade amount 200 and I push it up. Mm-hmm. You know, all trading involves buying and selling investments, but the way your trading is classified depends in a large part on your timeline. If you're active, for example, on a monthly, weekly, daily, or even hourly basis, you might think trading is something only pros on Wall Street do. No way. No way, absolutely no way. But with the rise of commission-free stock trading, investment apps, now trading is accessible to almost everyone. Self-directed trading can be time-consuming and risky, of course. Due to risk of loss, consider how trading fits into your personal situation. Never rush. Give it a second thought, okay? That's important. That's my hint for you. Okay, so what we have here, all is fine, everything is under control. Mm-hmm. Good enough to predict the situation. Fine. That's okay. That's okay. So we change the picture at the moment. So we make a time frame of 1 minute and get back to trade amount of $100 to initial, to basics things, you know. Push it up. And if you want to trade actively, despite you're newcomer, already, you know, advanced, you need to understand the risks and be comfortable with them. If you're investing for a long term, you might choose to keep the majority of your, say, portfolio invested with a passive trading strategy in mind. And remember, active trading isn't a prerequisite for success in long-term investing. In fact, many successful long-term investors don't trade constantly and every day. No. They choose the best moment when they are ready. And even if you have really good trading sessions. Got it. Again, we are successful. $192 as the potential payout. It worked out for us. You have to be, guys, you have to be mentally ready for this. Just remember this. It's not just the words. It's a psychology, you know? All right. So we make 2 minutes. And I double the trade amount now and push it down. Let's see. Okay. Guys who just entered my live stream, short reminder for you. Today we are trading a clean and simply strategy using EMA trend direction, key support, resistance levels, and RSI momentum. No complicated indicators, only price, 1, structure 2, and number 3, confirmation. Perfect for scalping and intraday trading, okay? All right, get back to business. The situation is favorable. Let's see how it finally work for us. Good. You see the fast-growing green candles, meaning that we are in a favorable situation, okay? All right. If you ask me, I'm not always successful. No. I wish I could do that every trade to be successful and profitable, but no. It happens even with me. I'm so many years in the business, but still, you know, you can't predict every step. It's market. Okay, all right. Got it. Our strategy worked out again. A potential payout of $384 in our pocket. That's good. I love today's session. It's a really good one. We had so many good trades. But it was not, you know, it was not like chaotic for us. We were waiting for the best moment to entry and to do the further steps to get profit. Okay, now what I do, I push it up, keeping everything the same. I mean, 2 minutes of a time frame, trade amount of $200 with a potential payout $384. Let's see. We are gaining a momentum. All right. You see the struggle, changing of the color of the candles, green to red ones. Let's see what's going to be in the end. During all our trades today, you could have seen that the struggle between buyers and sellers and the market was not steady at all. But still, we made really good trades, really good ones, and profitable. All right, I predicted that as well. So now I keep 2 minutes, 200s, and I push it up. I wish I could predict every step on the market. We could have been successful every time, but it's, it can't be like this. No way. And remember, just 3 hints for you. Entry on confirmation. Stop loss above resistance. Take profit at next support. All right? Good. Okay. A bit heavy at the moment. You see that? The red candles growing and taking force. And bad, you see the green one is growing also. Come on. Let's do it. All right then. Let's slightly change the picture. I'll take 1 minute and come to initials of $100. And I push it down. Let's see. Sometimes you have to step back and see the picture and to understand everything, make analysis of the current situation, and then come fully ready. I do it myself as well, You can't be successful every trade, every trading session. All right. We were almost there. See this? Got it. It worked again. What can I say? Really amazing. Really amazing. A potential payout of $192 worked out again for us. All right. So now I'm going to make 2 minutes of a time frame and I double the trade amount. It's going to be one of our last trading sessions for today, and we have to go on. Push it up. Let's go. And I would love to give you a final tip for today, for today's session. Remember, EMA shows direction. Levels show location. RSI indicator shows momentum. Once again, EMA, direction. Levels, location. RSI, momentum. When all three agree, that's a high probability trade with a potential profit. All right? Mm-hmm. Come on, a bit more is going to be good for us for today. I feel like it should work. Okay. One more push. It didn't work this time, but that's absolutely fine. Absolutely fine. And to finalize everything, we're going to make one more trade and see. But the result overall is already really perfect for us for today. Okay, I keep everything like it is. 2 minutes a time frame, trade amount of $200, and I push it down. Let's go. Today we were trading clean and simple strategy using EMA trend direction, key support, and resistance levels, and of course RSI momentum. No overcomplicated indicators, only price, number one, structure, and confirmation. All right? Just a short reminder for you. No rush. Everything goes under control, and everything is according to our plan anyway. Got it. As I told you, it's going to be really amazing end of today's session. So we made a potential payout of 384 US dollars. That's fantastic. That's really cool. All right then. Okay. All right, one more trade. We keep the same parameters, 2 minutes of a time frame and 200 of trade amount of $200. It's going to be our last trade for today. Let's go, push it down. Today, almost everything was according to our scenario and plan that we did before, that I did before. So I'm completely satisfied. We had a successful 3 consecutive profitable trades and then other profitable ones. And overall, it was really good. It was really good session today. And before I close the session of today, I want you to remember, and I repeat it, EMA shows direction, levels show location, RSI show momentum. And when all 3 agree, that's a high probability trade. Please bear it in your mind. Okay. So this is our last trade. Okay, I predicted another ending, but still, everything is just fine. So we are winding up, guys. It was my pleasure to host you today. And we had really successful trading moments for today. And you got the basics and the initials, what I wanted to tell you today. I wish you all the best. Keep on going and see you next time. Bye.